Venmo is a digital wallet that allows users to send and receive money easily from their mobile devices. Here's how Venmo works. Download and sign up. Users download the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign up for an account using their email address, phone number, and bank account or debit card information. Add friends. Users can connect with friends by searching for their usernames, phone numbers, or scanning their QR codes within the app. Initiate payment. To send money, users tap on the Pay or Request button and enter the amount they want to send. They can choose to send money to a friend, split a bill, or pay a merchant. Choose payment method. Users select the funding source for the payment, such as their Venmo balance, linked bank account, or debit card. Add note. Users can add a note to the transaction to provide context or indicate what the payment is for. Confirm transaction. Users review the transaction details and tap Pay to confirm the payment. The recipient receives a notification of the incoming payment. Receive payment. When receiving money, users receive a notification and can choose to transfer the funds to their bank account or keep them in their Venmo balance.